Today I'm choosing to analyze the Minneapolis, St. Paul, Bloomington, Minnesota, Wisconsin MSA, and I will be focusing on a specific product segment, which is first lien, 1 to 4, primary residence, home purchase mortgages that are originated to young borrowers under 35, 25 or under, and between 25 and 34 years old. And what I'm showing here is my screen in HMDA. I selected the MSA, and in the table I'm exploring the dynamics, the local dynamics for that particular segment. I decided to go geographically by county, and two questions come to my mind. First of all, how big is this market that I have defined? First lien, home purchase, primary residence to young borrowers. And the answer is in the table. The market consists of 18,000 loans originated, such loans originated to this young borrower demographic. I also can estimate this with the flip of the button, the size, the dollar volume of this market. It is over $5.8 billion market size. And the other thing I know from my table is the rate of growth by dollar volume, or in this case, it's stagnant by number or count of loans. I also have a borrower shopping index, which is in the last column. The borrower shopping index estimates approximately the borrower behavior at the moment of selecting mortgage financing for, in this case, for a home purchase transaction. It basically measures the number of applications that were withdrawn by the applicant or were not accepted by the borrower, even though there was an approved loan, divided by the number of originated or closed loans. The higher that borrower shopping index, the more missed market opportunities we have. If we are thinking about lenders from the borrower's perspective, that means that they have more agency, more options in this particular market. So one question that I can ask here is, number one, which is the largest county for this segment? And this is Hennepin County, followed by Ramsey and Dakota County. And I can very precisely and easily estimate the number of loans originated, again by using the radio button, the dollar volume. I also can estimate among those three which market grew and which markets declined, or in the entire MSA by sorting, I can see that the top county for this particular demographic was Pierce County, Wisconsin, in 2024 compared to 2023. Well, where did the borrowers shopped the most? It's in Washington County, followed by Ramsey, Anoka, Hennepin, and Pierce County. The average borrower shopping index is 17.3. If I want to see how this compares nationally, I'm just going to remove my MSA filter for the moment, and I see that nationally this borrower demographic has a much higher borrower shopping index at almost 25% in comparison to only 17.3% in Minneapolis. And of course, I can continue to drill if we want to see the top growth market, which is Pierce County. And so we can now go down to the Pierce County, and in the table we can select, let's say, zip code, and see which zip codes had the highest growth rates. And it is zip code 54011 and 54014. So if I select those zip codes, now I can see what the competitive dynamic is here. And here is my leaderboard. It's Bell Bank, Associated Bank, Royal Credit Union, Mortgage Research Center, Fairway, United Wholesale Mortgage, and Bay Equity being in the top lenders to this particular segment in very specific geography, 2 zip code in Pierce County in the Minneapolis MSA. It's really easy to perform market analysis in HMDA. HMDA is part of Polygon Vision, a bundle of HMDA Vision and Census Vision for end-to-end analysis of your local market. Thank you and happy HMDA Vision, Polygon Vision exploration.